Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure to subscribe, and if you are a subscriber already, thanks for watching. I am going to be showing you how I deep clean and sanitize this truck. This is my husband's truck, and I want to make sure I've been to the grocery store a few times, and I want to make sure that it's sanitized and ready to be in again. I do wipe the steering wheel and the handles every day on a daily basis, but I want to do a really good deep clean today. So thanks for sticking around, and we'll get into the video. And I make sure to pay attention to all the buttons that you touch, go underneath them. These handles here, I get all around them, behind them, and do a really good deep clean. The locks that we touch, just make sure you get every area. And I have a touch screen, so I want to get that real good. And all the knobs, as you can see, really good that these do leave a lot of lint. You can tell it very much here. So I just go back over and wipe it again without a Lysol wipe. But I do let this set for a few minutes before going and doing that to give it time to kill the germs. And here is your breeding ground for germs. So we're going to clean this whole steering wheel very well, everything you touch. I'm going to open up the wipe real good, and I'm going to get just go all the way around. Go all the way around the steering wheel. And then we have the shifter, so we're going to have to get this. I got a jar of these when I was at the store because they're out of hand wipes to wash my hands when I'm out. But I'm going to try one of these right now to see if this will get the lint off. I'm not sure if it will, since this is a wipe also, but we will see if this actually works. And yes, I only bought one thing because I know people need these to wipe their kids with. I just got one for us, and that is all I got. I got this garbage can, and it is handy like for this truck that we have. I don't know how it works in a car, but we place it, hold on, I'll show you. I'm going to clean it out with sanitizer, but we place it right here, and it stays pretty good. Like, it doesn't move around very much, so it works really well. And we just use like a grocery bag to put in it. But I'm going to sanitize that. And I'm going to use my Dyson vacuum. I bought this refurbished, and it is the coolest thing ever. It's you can use this in your house to vacuum your floors, but you can also use it as an attachment. And here are the attachments that I have for it, so that I can clean up my car. And it has this high suction on it, as you can see right here, high suction.
The max suction works good, but this one works very well, and this is what I want to use to vacuum out the car.
That was my first time getting to use the Dyson vacuum with the attachments, and it amazed me. I'm going to link that down in the description below, and as you know, I try to link all the products that I use that I think y'all might be interested in so that you can find it, because I know when I'm watching videos and I see things that I would like to get, I appreciate that they'll link that in the description for me. And now I'm just going over a few things some people tend to forget, like your cup holders where you hold your drinks. You like to clean that out because it gets sticky there, and some people forget to clean that. And also, I like to go into the vents with the wipe. Sometimes I'll use a Q-tip to get in there real good, but I did not have that with me today. So, getting in there, just using your finger and putting it between the wipe gets in there pretty good. So I'm doing that. And another thing people tend to forget is their key fob, which I will be pulling that out here in just a second in the video after I clean these vents. People tend to forget to sanitize that, especially during a time like this. So mine has a pop out, and I pop it out, and then I use the wipe to sanitize that as well.
Alright, here is the after. And the Dyson vacuum did very well. I am so amazed by that. And I love this vacuum. It's well worth the $200, which was... Let me close that door so the traffic, you don't hear it. Which was well worth the price for refurbished. I could not pay this $500 or $600 it actually costed. Okay, so what I did here is, because we're in this pandemic, I kept some Lysol wipes in here, and I have some hand sanitizer right here, and I have the baby wipes up here for washing your hands, and a mask hanging off of the mirror. Some people agree, some people disagree, but I spray it with sanitizer, plus I leave it out there so I don't lose it. I have to reuse it. I can't find masks like everyone else. But here you go. This is the finished look. I think it cleaned up very well. And if y'all are wondering, I got these. See, I bought this for my husband, and I surprised him with it. Y'all are going to see that video later on. You're not going to see it now. I waited to put it out because of everything going on. I didn't want to put a video of surprising somebody with such a nice truck right now because of everything going on, because it does not feel right. But this is the truck I got him and surprised him with. And when I got it, I got these little poop emojis. One is a girl and one is a boy, and I said this is him and this is me, and I buckled them in so that they wouldn't come out, and they've stayed there ever since until I just now unbuckled her, and they've stayed there ever since. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in the next one.